the Welcome to Zubi Park, home of the Houston area live steamers. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So they're prepping for the free train rides here at Zubi Park. And this is put on by the Houston area live steamers, or H.A.L.S, and you can find them at H.A.L.S.org. And Ray's following along. Okay, Ray, do you have a favorite train so far?
They all look cool.
They all look cool. Yeah, they do. So he's ready to go on the Southern Pacific. And they have these little chairs you can sit on and ride around. And so I think we're going to go on some of these. Each ride is about, did I say it was 15 minutes, Ray?
Yes, it's about, each ride is about 15 minutes long. So yeah, I'm so excited.
Being a train enthusiast, what are train enthusiasts called?
Train enthusiast.
Train enthusiast, okay. I thought there was some cool hip term or something.
And technically, we're model railroaders
Oh,
because ours are, you know, they're models of real engines.
Okay.
They're 1.5" scale. So, in other words, 1.5" equals 1 foot on a real engine.
Okay. Thank you very much for that information. How are these? Is it gas? Is it?
Some are gas, some are electric.
Okay.
Like my engines there are gasoline hydraulic, the black ones.
Okay.
And that one there is gasoline hydraulic. But few of the guys have total electric ones.
Okay. The colors on these, Virginia.
Yeah, I like the black and white one.
So do each of the names on the side have some kind of significance?
They do. Typically, passenger cars in the real train world were named after ladies. And these are ladies that have been in the club.
JB, do you still call these things roundhouses? I've always heard where you stored the trains and trolleys, they refer to them as roundhouses. Is that still a term that you'd use for these?
Roundhouses are gone with steam.
Okay.
That building right down there is a, you know, the open building.
Okay.
That's a roundhouse still.
Oh, okay.
But you have a turntable that you're able to go to different tracks for servicing.
Okay.
These are just engine houses.
Just
now.
engine houses. Okay, I'm going to learn all kinds of stuff here about trains today. This is awesome. Car barn. Oh, here we go. He's docking. Check this out. So he's going to hook those up. Oh. Ooh.
Bouncing.
It's bouncing when they hook up, right? It's all the way. And he secures them.
Is it a magnet that's connecting them?
I think they're little hooks. JB, they're little hooks that connect the two together and then you put a pin through?
No, they're actually automatic couplers, just like a real train.
Oh, wow. It's going to couple. I guess docking's not the right word. I'm thinking nautical terms. But he's going to couple the train engine with the cars. Oh, that's so cool. And there it is. He just coupled them. And like there's little towns. Oh, there he goes. He's backing it up so people can get on and ride.
That's crazy.
Oh, look how small the track. So here's what the track looks like. Look at this. Here's my hand. That's the size of the track.
Trains are pretty small.
they're very small. Are they smaller than you thought, Ray? Are they smaller than you thought?
Not really.
No. All right. Should we go down and find out about maybe getting some tickets to get on a train?
Yep.
Okay, let's go for it. We're going. Yeah, he said the roundhouse here. Yeah, it's actually a functioning roundhouse.
There it is.
Roundhouse, yeah.
You got a lift right there.
Yeah. Oh, I'll take it in. And there's the roundhouse. So here we go, Ray. I'm going to put this right here. We're just going to watch you in the train track. Put your hands up in the air. Here we go. Woo! JB leading the way. And here I am in the back of the bus, so I'm in the caboose. So this is kind of cool. Hey, caboose, and our conductor. And what's your name, conductor?
I'm Greg Moore.
Greg Moore. Thank you very much for volunteering to do this. This is fantastic. There we go. Oh, we're going across the bridge. Going across the bridge. Oh, I love the sound of trains going across the bridge.
It's bald. Help me. Look at that.
Oh. And now we're rocking and rolling. They have all kinds of little loops. Cement? Gravel? Yeah, I wonder how... Oh, okay. How often do you guys have to load the gravel?
What?
How often do you guys have to do the gravel along the railroad tracks?
Gravel itself, the older stuff, not. But when we replace rail or we have to repair something, we have to do gravel now.
Okay.
You can tell the wider gravel is where we redone some repair, reballast the truck.
Excellent. Thank you.
Like some of this stuff over here.
It's great to see this kind of enthusiasm.
Thank you for riding with us. Please watch your step. Take everything with you.
And so make sure to subscribe to our channel. Once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications. And make sure to like this video. And most of all, enjoy.
Goes another train. This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness. Except not very wild. It's a lot of fun. Off they go through the haunted forest. We don't know if they shall ever come back.